Are you ready to master a delicious temple-style pongal? Let's dive in. Pongal is a popular South Indian dish. It's a comfort food made with rice and lentils. Today we'll make it in under 2 minutes. First, gather your ingredients: rice, moong dal, ghee, and spices. Next, rinse 1 cup of rice and half a cup of moong dal. In a pan, dry roast the dal until golden. This enhances flavor. Add the rinsed rice to the pan with 4 cups of water. Now, mix in a teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce heat to low. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes. As it cooks, prepare the seasoning. Heat ghee in a tarima. Add cumin seeds and crushed black pepper. Saute until fragrant. Stir in chopped ginger and curry leaves. Cook for a minute. When the pongal is fully cooked, mix in the seasoning. Now, let's talk health benefits. This dish is high in protein, sheen, and fiber. It provides lasting energy and keeps you full longer. Pongal is gluten-free and can aid digestion. Perfect for breakfast or a light meal. Remember, moderation is key. Serve hot with coconut chutney or sambar. In summary, pongal is easy, nutritious, and quick to make. Enjoy cooking and savoring this delightful dish. Ready to try making pongal at home? Hit subscribe for more recipes.